We're going to start off by showing how we prepare our horses. We get them as weanlings, never been touched, wild as can be. The way we say it is, this is a training that will help every horse in every discipline to be a safer mount and develop confidence to protect the rider and the horse. We teach our horses through pressure and then release. So they learn to just have fun with what's going on.
If they enjoy it, they're going to look forward to doing this the next time. If you make it into a huge battle, they're probably not going to enjoy it each time. What we do is we help train our horses to have a different reaction to their fear.
This is either going to be really good or really interesting. When pressure goes up, potential tends to go down. I'm now going to give you a course that you're not going to like very much. Nothing can take away your good seat, your good leg, your good posture quicker than a little pressure. You have room for one confident voice in your mind. It isn't mine, it's yours. Riding is not about the pursuit of perfection, it's about the pursuit of excellence.